Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super useful trick, how to get live data directly from a website into Microsoft Power BI. By the end of this video, you'll know how to connect Power BI to almost any web page that hosts tables of data, so you can analyze, visualize, and update your insights with fresh information anytime. If you've ever wanted to automate your reports or keep your dashboards up to date without manual copy-pasting, this tutorial is definitely for you. Alright, let's jump straight in. First, you'll need to find a website that contains the table you want to work with. Maybe it's financial data, sports scores, product inventories, or anything else that updates frequently. For example, let's say you want to analyze daily stock prices from a finance site. Scan through the page to make sure the data is actually presented in a table. This is important because Power BI looks for structured tables, not just any web content or images. Once you've located the table, go ahead and copy the URL from your browser's address bar. Now, open up Power BI on your computer. Look towards the top left for the Get Data button. This is your gateway for importing all kinds of data sources. Click on it, and from the list of options that appears, choose Web. This tells Power BI you're looking to pull data from an online source, rather than a file on your machine or a database. At this point, you'll see that Power BI gives you two choices, Basic and Advanced. For most cases, Basic works perfectly. It's great when you just want to grab all the table data from the page without having to worry about advanced parameters or headers. So select Basic, paste the URL you copied earlier into the box, and then press OK to move to the next step. Next, Power BI may ask you about credentials. It wants to know how it should access the web page. Should it try anonymous access, use your Windows login, basic authentication, a web API, or an organizational account? For most public websites, anonymous is the way to go, so let's select that and press Connect. If you've already connected to this website in Power BI before, you'll skip this step and go straight to the navigator, but for new connections, you might need to pause here for a moment. Once you hit Connect, Power BI will take a little time to reach out to the website and gather information. Don't worry if this part takes a few seconds, especially for sites with lots of tables or data. Soon, a navigator window will pop up. This is one of my favorite parts. It's like a backstage pass where Power BI shows you all the tables it found on the web page. Scroll through these options and look for the table that matches the information you need. If you see more than one, you can even preview them before deciding which one to load. When you found your table, just click to select it, then press Load. Power BI will import the data into your workspace and display it in the data pane. Now you're free to visualize, filter, and customize the table however you want, create graphs, build dashboards, or set up automatic refreshes to keep your data live and updated. That's really all there is to it. Getting live website data into Power BI is a powerful skill that can save you tons of time and open up whole new ways of keeping your reports current. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, drop any questions you have in the comments, and subscribe to the channel for more clear, practical tech how-tos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.